Alright, good morning guys. Alright, good morning. So this isn't where we're staying. This is just like a update. We're here now in Marinduque. I didn't get to vlog much yesterday when like arriving and everything with everybody. This is not where we're staying. It's just a spot that we're driving by to see if we could spend the day here. Kuya Jojo's trying to see like how much it is for the day and all that. And they're trying to see if they can rent it out. But we're on the island of Marinduque. So yeah, it's like beach all over the whole place. This is the whole thing right here. It's another day here. It's what is it today? It's Wednesday already. Wednesday. I don't know what day it is anymore. Oh. Fam.
You know, I asked her why the water is green. She answered it's aurora borealis in water. Oh my god, mommy! Wow!
Alright, so we're here now in Boac, kind of like the capital of Marinduque, and inayos nila yung parking. Still awake, still asleep, half asleep. We're here in Boac and we're just like walking around. There's like different one-ways and they're trying to take me to a coffee shop. Like a simple strong coffee is fine. I don't need anything crazy. But it's okay. We're looking around right now. Yung ano? Pusong ano? It's hard to find, pero meron. Pusong saging? Yeah. Yeah. It's hard to find though. Yung maya naman lang is yung ganun. Baka hindi na nila kinukuha yung ano yung heart.
Nagampasan sa kamo.
Oh dang. There's more. Whole bucket full. What? So we're at the Palengke. Where are we at? Saan? Sa Palengke. Hey! 1, 2, 3. Good.
Ay, oh, English market. Oh, market. Sorry ako kami sa akin.
Yan. Alright, so at the Palengke, like fish and meat and all that. The whole area is pretty dope. You got vendors all over the place, and yeah, it's pretty long, but it's pretty good. Not too bad. It's definitely a unique experience. Yeah. No, it's recording po.
Areo, kaldereta mix.
Tanong muna si Bebe, hindi ko pala pabili.
Meron na ba yun?
Oo, meron. Yung pasalad natin yung isang...
Isa na lang.
Marami yung gawin natin ng mix.
Hey, what's this?
Oil.
Ay, malito lang.
Oh. It's ano lang, no?
Video.
Hi.
Hi guys!
Hey! So what I really noticed about that open Palengke, open market area was just like how everybody, you don't really need to buy bulk, I guess. You know how we're used to buying bulk here in the States. Over there, it's like you just buy pretty much, you know, what you need for that week or the meal you're gonna make. So it was kind of different, but it was definitely an awesome experience to see Palengke like that. Ma'am.
Ano ko na lang yung sasakyan.
Yeah.
O para hindi na maano siya ante, no? Dito na lang, ante. Kukunin ko yung sa para ano.
Oo, sige, okay.
Dito na kayo, para hindi na kayo mapagod.
Dito. Mag-intay tayo.
Wow. She put makeup.
Hindi magsisi.
Hey.
Ano yan? 2?
Tudors.
Binis.
Yate yun?
A day in the life. Hey.
May buntot ako.
Hey.
Ganda mo naman.
Uy, awa ko niya si Bella.
Si Bella mas maganda talaga yan. Kulot yan eh. Si Dora. Hi Dora.
Wow, nag-makeup din, oh.
Ganda-ganda ng... Doon,
Makeup
tingin din. Eto din, naka-makeup din siya.
Magpipicture naman. Ah.
Beautiful forever.
Yeah.
O, ba't mo tinatakpan ang mukha mo? Paano makikita ang beauty mo?
May tigyawat po eh.
Ay, di ba rin tanda ng pag-ibig yan.
Ay! Tuwag gilid. Oo. Dito ko lang iikot yun.
Tayo sa ano?
It's windy. Hangin yan.
Sige, sir.
Okay, so you know like those stories maybe that your Filipino mom and dad tell you about how they walked so many miles to school and how back then there were no like cars. Like this is legit like the road that they walked when they went to school. So anyway, we're heading to the beach back to Oolong Bay, the one that we checked out earlier. And basically we rented like a little tent thing for the day, and we just like had a little picnic and then enjoyed the beach. And then we also did in classic Filipino tradition, we did karaoke at the beach. So yeah, that was pretty much it. We spent the rest of the day here at Oolong Bay. There we go. Alright guys, so we're here now at the beach resort. The audio might be kind of bad because my phone is in a plastic bag, but I brought it out here on the water so we can get some nice shots here. Yeah, this is the island of Marinduque. Oolong Bay Beach Resort. We basically have the whole beach to ourselves because no one else really rented it out, and we're just renting it for the day, so it's kind of a cool deal. We rent it out for the day. They give us a beach cabana. Like it's like a shaded little picnic area. And then we got 2 rooms just so we can like rinse off and like relax in the AC, shower, bathroom, regular amenities. But yeah, we pretty much got the whole beach to ourselves, and yeah, it's pretty sweet. Flew the drone earlier, not too bad. Got some drone footage, and what else? I don't know. It's pretty sweet though. But I think this is actually the first vlog that's being made in the water, which is pretty interesting because it's the first vlog I ever did in the middle of the ocean. Alright, so the plan, all my little nieces and nephews, they're all hanging out here, all my cousins and stuff. So it's pretty good. And the matriarch of the family, Auntie Menchi. The plan is, oh dang, they got a Kawayan, they got a bamboo. Those guys, these guys, what the heck? Where'd you find that? They got a bamboo, look at that, yo. Oh dang. Oh, it's not a bamboo, it's just a branch. We're pretty much spending the whole day over here. At least it's like overcast. It's not like super sunny. So it's actually not that bad that we're out here. I mean, we probably did get a couple shades darker. Alright guys, so catch back with you guys in a little bit. What's good, everybody? Oh man, I gotta tune down the lighting here. Alright, so we over here right now. We're going back out to where everybody's at. But pretty much, we just to freshen up. We're in the little spot over there. We're gonna be meeting up with everybody else that traveled over, and they're at the beach right now, just having a good time. We're leaving probably before 11 over here, but we're just gonna be joining everybody right now, and they're calling me over. So I'm gonna be over there in a bit. Oolong Bay Resort. Review to come later on, but for tonight we'll be hanging out with everybody else. I'll catch you guys later.